Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2018 Ford Focus SE Sedan. Shadow black in exterior color and accented with a chrome accented grille with a honeycomb styling. We have halogen high beams and low beams. An engine block heater for the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. We have a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Equipped with alloy wheels, body-colored mirror caps and door handles. Keyless entry, a hardtop roof, and 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers, as well as a power trunk release. At the rear, we have the SE badging. We have a backup camera, the power trunk release, and lots of cargo storage room in the spacious trunk. We have a black interior that offers power windows, power locks, and power heated mirrors, door speakers, and door storage pockets, automatic headlamps, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with manual adjustments. It offers cruise control, trackpad for the menu zone, trackpad for the media zone. We have a nice display for the driver, a backup camera and screen, AM/FM radio, and 6 months of prepaid Sirius satellite radio. We have heated seat controls, air conditioning, 12-volt and USB outlet, a hand park brake, and manual adjusting cloth seats that are heated. A hardtop roof, manual adjusting mirror, and some vanity lighting. The second row offers a 60/40 split seat, lots of leg and headroom. Second row power windows, door speakers, and door storage pockets. Lots of storage room in the trunk. We also have a set of rubber and carpet floor mats. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.